represent a host of products, soup to nuts, small systems to large systems. And specifically, having sold a lot of masking sound, what I like about this particular product line is that it's simple, it's succinct, and it's a robust product, all-in-one product. By that I mean that we have the built-in masker, the built-in generator, the built-in amplifiers, all within this unit. It's a simple interface, north, south, east, and west on the push button to make all of your adjustments, and it hosts masking, music, and a paging signal. I think the best thing that we have is that we have a phone application. So I can push a button and we can make signage go off that lets people know in, say, a boardroom application exactly whether the masking is enhanced, whether it's on, what have you. But more importantly, what I like about this particular product is I have the ability to control the system with a phone. You can have a type 1 or type 2 meter in hand, and then with this in the other hand, you can equalize the system so we could increase the volume or decrease the volume in 1/3 octave band from 100 hertz out to 10,000 hertz. A dream come true for an installer to have the phone application. But again, this is only one of the family, and we have a host of products accordingly.